Yoga can boost our immunity and hence it can be preventive just like vaccines. So if we had used yoga or if you continue to begin yoga, then it can contribute towards our overall health. When we define what is health as per WHO, then it talks about holistic health, it talks about total health, components being physical, mental, emotional, social well-being. And these days, people have been focusing only on yogasanas and pranayams and breathing away all kinds of ways. They forget the fundamental reason why yoga came into vogue, especially in India. It is all about physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well being. Unless and until our organs are well orchestrated and in harmony, I don't think we can dream of having immunity. Immunity against not only physical diseases, but mental as well. And we have not tackled as yet the spiritual diseases with which our country and especially our youth is terribly suffering. They don't even know the difference between what religion is, what spirituality is, and what bliss is. They don't know the difference between joy and bliss, joy and happiness, and we need to bring this to their homes and see if they can understand all this. Only then I think the magic of evolution of any country can happen. So I highly recommend meditations. Now, why meditation is so crucial even to a student or to a businessman or to a lady who is managing household affairs or any field that you talk of. That's why Lord Krishna broadly put it like this, that yoga is an instrument where you bring about your excellence. Yogaha karmasu kausalam. And how does that happen? Because practically when you close your eyes and meditate, you go through a lot of things that you have done or you are about to do something new. When you are about to go to do something new, you may have choices that I have 5-6 things to do. The moment you begin to meditate, all those things will come to your mind. And slowly, mentally, you will be able to eradicate, remove unwanted ones, you see. And when you reflect on your past, on your things that you did, you will say, okay, this is where I had gone wrong. I will not repeat it again. And this is where I had excelled myself and I can do much better. So meditation somehow keeps giving us impulses for incremental correction in our thoughts and with our actions. Now, more than ever, I would say, we are all facing this pollution at all levels, air pollution, water pollution, but we don't much think about the pollution at a thought level. Thought pollution affects all of us. What is thought pollution? Where you are not able to control unnecessary thoughts, thoughts that can harm our spiritual, emotional, and physical well being. They can be corrected, you see. When we meditate, all these things gets filtered out very easily because mind and a sensitive heart cannot tolerate wrong feelings. Like day after day, something goes wrong with you. And so I did this wrong. It's okay, everybody does wrong things now and then in life. But when heart becomes sensitized, it becomes intolerant towards your own weaknesses and faults. So you are able to heighten your conscience. You are able to get the courage to follow your conscience. And you are able to follow very easily that, this is wrong for me and this is right for me. So this is a fundamental, I would say, benefit of meditation. To me, yoga brings about unity at all levels, you see. And without this unity within, you cannot have a proper immunity.